Welcome to my YouTube channel, Miss Asma. Today we learn fruit's name. Let's go learn and speak English and Arabic language with Urdu translation. Go. Apple, apple. Tufa, tufa. Save. Pomegranate, pomegranate, pomegranate. Ruman, ruman. Anar, banana, banana, banana. Mouse, kela. Orange, orange. Burtukal, burtukal. Malta, cherry, cherry. Karas, karas. Cherry. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Anab, anab. Angur. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Faravilla, faravilla. Strawberry. Pineapple, pineapple. Ananas, 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 ananas. Peach, peach. Hawak, hawak. Arrow. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Bittih, bittih. Tarboos. Pear, pear. Masra, masra. Nashpati. Dates, dates. Tamar, tamar. Khajur. Guava, guava. Jawafa, jawafa. Amrud. Mango, mango. Manju, manju. Thanks for watching.